The demand for STEM careers will be growing significantly as professionals with STEM background will make the most noticeable impact. It's a widely reported fact that 75% of all future jobs will require STEM skills and knowledge. That's why ALFA and Friends Science is here to inspire your children to love STEM through learning science. ALFA and Friends Science is a hands-on and fun learning program designed for children aged 4 to 9 years old. Conducted in a small group of 10, parents can choose online or face-to-face classes. Every week, your children will spend 1 hour learning hands-on science activities from qualified and experienced teachers that we have selected through a stringent process to ensure the highest quality of curriculums is delivered to your children. Through the 96 hands-on lessons, we will allow the children to explore their potentials to learn STEM through science and to have a strong foundation of scientific knowledge and skills. In ALFA and Friends Science, opportunities are provided to experience 21st century teaching and learning in an environment that emphasizes a fun learning experience and childhood rather than non-engaging testing and assessments. The focus on 21st century practices will give opportunities to children to be critical thinkers, creative, intelligent risk-takers, problem solvers, and promote lifelong learning to adapt to this ever-changing world. Get monthly updates from the experienced teachers with the monthly progress report provided for the children. Observe how your children improve as they have multiple exposures to scientific skills and STEM knowledge. Book your slot to get a free trial session and witness your children have a blast while learning STEM through science. Enroll your children in ALFA and Friends Science class now and future-proof your children today.